Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Relax your body. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. You are now ready to learn Vietnamese. Listen carefully. Relax and absorb. We will go through 200 common Vietnamese words in groups. Group 1, Xin Chào, Xin Chào, hello, come on, come on, thank you, lemon, lahm un, please, vâng, vuông, yes, không, không, no, tạm biệt, tạm biệt, goodbye, chào buổi sáng, chào buổi sáng, good morning, chúc ngủ ngon, chúc ngủ ngon, good night, xin lỗi, xin lỗi, sorry, không sao, không sao, it's okay. Group 2, Toy, Toy, I, Ban, Ban, You, anh ấy, cô ấy, she, chúng tôi, we, các bạn, you all, how, they, cái này, this, cái đó, that, a day, here. Group 3, an, un, eat, uống, uống, drink, đi, go, đến, come, nhìn, see, nghe, hear, nói, speak, học, learn, làm việc, work, nghỉ ngơi, rest. Group 4, lone, loon, big, nhỏ, small, new, many, eat, few, nhanh, in, fast, shum, slow, toward, good, Zhao, sao, bad, muy, muy, new, cool, old. Group 5, nook, water, cum, rice, banh mi, banh mi, bread, cha, tea, cafe, coffee, sua, milk, tao, apple, choy, banana, thịt, meat, cá, fish. Group 6, malt, hun, high, 2, bar, 3, 4, 5, sow, 6, bay, 7, tam, 8, chin, in, ui, mui, 10. Group 7, hôm nay, today, ngày mai, tomorrow, hôm qua, yesterday, bây giờ, now, thời gian, time, sớm, early, muộn, late, foot, minute, zu, hour, tuan, week. Group 8, thick, like, you, can, coon, need, mourn, oh, he'll, understand, you, remember, queen, forget, but zo, dot, get kit, ish. Group 9, bạn bè, friend, nhà, home, chung, school, giáo viên, teacher, học sinh, student, công ty, company, sếp, boss, đồng nghiệp, doanh nghiệp, coworker, thành phố, city, quốc gia, country. Group 10, len, up, xuống, down, try, chai, left, fi, right, chuk, truk, front, sau, so, back, chong, chong, inside, why, guai, outside, sa, far, gun, goon, near. Now repeat selected words slowly. Xin chào, cảm ơn, làm ơn, vâng, không, tôi, bạn, chúng tôi, ăn, uống, đi, đến, nhìn, nghe, tốt, sâu, nước, cha, một, hai, ba, hôm nay, nhà, lên, xuống. Stay relaxed. Let the words sink in. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.